What up, guys? DJ Y is back again with new episodes. Today we have talked about one of my favorite celebrity couple, Ashanti and Nelly. You know, guys, last night Nelly and Ashanti had a beautiful show. It was to the next level. Here was some big love energy around them. Also, you know, in social media they're talking about their possible upcoming wedding. Honestly, to say, they will be great parents, man. I love it, man. This is beautiful. So I wish them to make it happen. This will be wonderful.
And what you say? Here we go now. Here we go.
There's a lot of people out there that counted me out and they said I would never make it. They said I was a one-hit wonder. They said I wouldn't be here past 2 years. And I just want to say I thank y'all so much for proving me wrong and supporting me so much.
Guys, honestly, I want to say one thing. I have no clue why some fans are hating on me about Ashanti and Nelly situation. Bro, I'm a big fan of them and I wish to see they together. I want to see their marriage and something like this, man. I'm a big fan, bro. I'm too real, bro. And on the other hand, not every woman or man wants to be married, bro. I hate that people assume she wants a ring on her finger first and something like this, man. This is straight big bullshit, man. I want to see their shine. I want to see they together, man, because I feel that here are some big love energy around Nelly and Ashanti, man. Shout out to Nelly, shout out to Ashanti. Wish you everything best in your beautiful life. Now, guys, I want to show you a little footage. This is some flashback video where Nelly and Ashanti linked up and showing some big love to each other during the show.
R&B will never be the same as it was in the early 2000s. Good songs last for months, great songs for years, and legends a lifetime. Rest in peace, big man, we miss you. So glad I lived through this period of music and I had every album from all of them. Still one of my favorite collaboration mixed by beautiful Ashanti and Mr. Biggie himself. So guys, how would you rate this collaboration song? Write your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hipopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Every time I sing alone, my imagination's crazy, my mind is running slow. Everything that is easy, my mind is full of